Did you know that 65% of millionaires in America actually hold a job? Yep, you heard that right. Most of these people have a normal 9-to-5 job, just like you and me. So if you're someone who thinks that you need to be an entrepreneur or an investor to become a millionaire, well, think again. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how one person was able to achieve millionaire status straight from their paycheck. So without further ado, let's dive into the world of finance and explore how you can join the ranks of the 1%. Becoming a millionaire while working a 9-to-5 job might sound like a far-fetched idea, but it's definitely possible. You don't have to be an investment guru or a tech genius to achieve financial success. And here are some tips to help you get there. Firstly, let's talk about the power of saving money. It might sound boring, but trust me, it works. Imagine this. You save 20% of your monthly salary and invest it in a diversified portfolio of low-cost index funds. Let's assume you start with an annual salary of $60,000. That's around $5,000 per month. By saving 20% of your salary, you'll have around $1,000 per month to invest. Now let's fast forward 30 years. With an average annual return of 8% on your investment, you'll have over $1 million in your retirement account. And the best part, you can still work your 9-to-5 job. But saving money is only half the battle. You also need to invest it wisely. There are several investment options available, but low-cost index funds are a great place to start. These funds allow you to invest in a wide range of companies with a single investment. Plus, they typically have lower fees, which means more of your money goes towards actual investment rather than fund expenses. Now let's talk about another important factor, career growth. If you want to accelerate your path to becoming a millionaire, consider investing in yourself. Develop new skills, increase your value in the job market, and aim for promotions. The more you grow in your career, the higher your earning potential, and the faster you can reach your financial goals. So now, let's meet our millionaire next door. Sarah, a high school teacher who became a millionaire without quitting her job. Throughout her 30-year career, she dedicated herself to teaching and making a difference in the lives of her students. But she also made some smart financial decisions that set her on the path to financial success. Sarah saved a significant portion of her income and invested it in low-cost index funds. She consistently saved at least 20% of her salary, and her investment portfolio grew steadily over the years. Additionally, she took advantage of her employer's retirement plan, contributing regularly and benefiting from the matching contributions. Through her diligence and smart investing, Sarah was able to accumulate a substantial amount of wealth without ever having to rely on risky investments or entrepreneurial ventures. Upon her retirement, she had amassed a cool $1 million, proving that it is possible to become a millionaire by working a regular job. As we wrap up today's video, let's recap the key takeaways. Becoming a millionaire while working a 9-to-5 job is entirely possible. It doesn't require extraordinary measures, just consistent effort. Saving a portion of your salary, investing it wisely, and planning for career growth can set you on the path to financial success. Remember, it's not about the job you have, but the smart choices you make that will determine your financial outcome. And if you want more tips on personal finance and career growth, check out my other videos. Thank you for joining me on this journey towards financial literacy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more informative content. Until next time, keep hustling, stay smart with your money, and remember that financial success is within your reach. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Oh, and here's a quick question for you all. Have you ever met anyone who became a millionaire with a regular 9-to-5 job? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your experiences.